In today's episode, we'll dive into a comprehensive comparison between two powerful communication tools, Aircall and Dialpad. These platforms are widely used for seamless business communications, offering advanced features to enhance productivity. We'll explore 5 key aspects: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternative options. Let's take a quick look at these services' keynote features. Aircall features include intuitive interface. Aircall boasts an easy-to-navigate interface, streamlining call management. Smart routing. Intelligent call routing ensures that calls reach the right team members swiftly. Integration hub. Extensive integrations with popular CRMs enhance workflow efficiency. Real-time analytics. In-depth analytics provide valuable insights into call performance. Dialpad features include AI-powered transcription. Dialpad stands out with AI-powered call transcriptions, aiding in efficient note-taking. Voice intelligence. Advanced voice recognition enhances user experience during calls. Unified communications. Integrates messaging, video conferencing, and phone calls seamlessly. Customizable call routing. Dialpad allows users to customize call routing based on specific needs. When it comes to pricing, Aircall offers competitive plans starting at $30 per month, while Dialpad's plans begin at $15 per month. Exact pricing details vary based on features and requirements. Aircall provides an intuitive and user-friendly experience, ensuring easy adoption across teams. Dialpad, with its AI enhancements, offer a tech-forward experience. The choice depends on whether you prioritize simplicity or cutting-edge technology. Aircall and Dialpad offer distinct advantages and drawbacks in the realm of communication solutions. Aircall stands out with its intuitive interface and robust analytics, and seamless integration, making it ideal for users prioritizing user-friendly design and extensive functionality. However, Aircall's pricing can be relatively higher for certain advanced plans. On the other hand, Dialpad excels with AI-driven features like call transcription and unified communications, providing a tech-forward experience. Despite Dialpad's competitive pricing and innovative features, it has a steeper learning curve for new users and fewer integrations compared to Aircall. If Aircall and Dialpad don't meet your specific needs, consider exploring alternatives such as RingCentral or 8x8 for comprehensive communication solutions. In conclusion, the choice between Aircall and Dialpad depends on your priorities. Aircall excels in user-friendly design and robust integration, while Dialpad stands out with AI-driven features. Evaluate based on your unique business requirements. Don't forget to sign up for a free trial using the links in the description. Subscribe for more easy internet tips and check out our other videos to stay updated on the latest tech insights. Thank you for watching.